in the last 10 years, many bills were bulldozed through Parliament under Article 110 of the Constitution as money bills. And this was challenged by Jairam Rameshji, who is the head of the Communication Department of the International Congress, in the case of a number of matters, including the Aadhaar Act of 2016. And at that time, in his dissenting judgment, the present Chief Justice of India had called this as a fraud on the Constitution in the case of the Aadhaar Act. And he has mentioned in a post on X that he had challenged other instances as well. And today, what has happened is it gives hope and is a source of relief also, because the Supreme Court is considering setting up a bench to hear pleas against passage of laws like the Aadhaar Act as money bills, which of course, like I said, the Honorable Chief Justice of India at that time in his dissenting verdict had said that this was a fraud on the Constitution. Mr. Jairam Ramesh in his post has also said that the verdict of the Chief Justice of India today to set up a separate constitutional bench to hear pleas on the gross misuse of Article 110 since 2014 is a welcome step. Hopefully, and a final and definitive pronouncement will come before he retires in November 2024. And you know what a money bill is. It is a piece of legislation which can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, amend it or reject it. So this can be done through the Lok Sabha, and the BJP had a huge mandate, brute majority in the Lok Sabha, so that is why they were bulldozing many of the many acts which were passed as money bills. And therefore, now that the Supreme Court has decided that the validity of passage of laws like the Aadhaar Act as money bills, which could bypass and which did bypass the Rajya Sabha, will again be looked into with a bench being constituted to do so. And a bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachudji and Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra was urged by senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who is also the president of the Supreme Court Bar Association, that the pleadings have been completed and the petitions need to be listed for hearing now. And the Chief Justice of India said that he would take the call when he formed the constitution benches. So there is going to be some movement there, and a constitution bench is going to be formed. Earlier, the top court had said it would constitute a 7-judge bench to consider the issue of validity of passage of laws like the Aadhaar Act as a money bill. And because there has been a whole lot of controversy around not just the Aadhaar Act of 2016, but also the PMLA, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, the amendments which were made to it in the form of money bills, so that they did not have to go to the Rajya Sabha. And like I have mentioned to you now, they do not have, BJP or NDA do not have a majority in the Rajya Sabha, because the number has come down to 101, whereas for majority in Rajya Sabha they need 113 members. How did you like this video? Do comment and let me know. Share this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make for you.